morning. My name's Sam Nikito, owner-operator at Diamond Roof Tiling and Restoration. Just wanted to talk a bit about our company, just to introduce ourselves. So what we're doing today is a full roof restoration here. So we've got a few repairs to do: sarking, repointing, pressure cleaning, recoating, and using NewTek 3 coats Monument. I'll introduce my team soon, but I'll just talk a bit about us. So we've been in business 20 years. Scott's got about 20 years experience, same as me. Robert's got about 10. And the freshman, Jamie, he's only just started with us. But we're a friendly team. I'm a strong believer that, if you take pride in what you do and you enjoy what you do, it does make it easier, and that's the case here with everyone. So another thing is, we won't talk down any other company or technique or brand in order to win quotes. Just from my sporting career, if we lost the game, we wouldn't just sook about it and start whinging. If I lose quotes, we can't expect to win every quote. And if that's, we do so, we'll just go back and try harder and try different things. So we'll always go out of our way for clients, customers. One big thing of mine is just because something's not on the quote doesn't mean my guys won't do it. I'll always get them to find something. Just something small, it's not going to be humongous, but something just to help out. I always like to help out, give a little bit back. I get a kick out of that, and so do my guys. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll take photos once we're done, as we're going, and that'll be at the end of the video, and I'll introduce the rest of the team a bit later. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we'll introduce the team here. First is my foreman, Robert.
Hi.
The freshman, Jamie.
How you going?
And Scott, the veteran.
How you going?